I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I thought you were in Twelfth Night too. With William, that's Shakespeare to you, there is another story going on behind the main one. Thus, we, the secondary story, are at best an amusing distraction. Prince Charles and Camilla Parker Bowles, love it! I could have been Hamlet. Malvolio, Limoncello, my niece's steward, has ideas above his station. How many times have I fallen in love in these dark wings? Andrew Ague-Cheek, absent. Maria, my niece's chambermaid. Tia Maria. Oh, whinging Gother, Mummy got married again. Longing in my youth for the dances. Dying in my teenage years for the pale Juliet. Yet maturing with desire for the leading ladies. In the end, Malvolio leaves the stage, never to be seen again. I thought it was raining. It wasn't. It was Kenneth spitting all over the extras. We happy few, we band of... Oi, Kenneth, knock it off, mate. I'm on 50 quid a day. I could do without your spitting. Ha! We laugh at Malvolio being kicked up the arse. And we love it! Ha, 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 ha. And in the end, don't we all get what we deserve?